I'm on my way. Hello. Yeah, bitch, I said I'm on my way. The fuck? Bitch, I'm coming. The fuck?
Whoa, Kenny. Yeah, I'm the bitch with the long hair and a top off. Talk tough like a bottle top. We switch the top off. Had to hit the turn quick just to get the knocks off. I'm the real deal, shawty, and you just a knockoff. Shake it up, no Coca-Cola, I'm the one that pop off. Hit me on my Motorola if you need some narcos. I've been working every day, no, I ain't never call off. Talking shit on Instagram, that pistol make you log off. It's upsetting that these bitches think they better than me. I get the bar too high and it's hard to beat. Gucci shades hit dark, so it's hard to see. The easy part is getting money, but it's hard to keep. I know you seeing that I'm busy, so don't bother me. Like I pass every test, you ain't as smart as me. You a stunt double, shorty, you a wannabe. See me on the scene, you know that I charge the fee. Like what? Bitches on my dick, so what? It don't matter 'cause I'm steady counting up. What? Bitches on my dick, so what? It don't matter 'cause I'm steady counting. You can't even handle a bitch like me. Make my own money and I buy my own weed. Touch my wrist and your hand gon' freeze. Begging for the kitty on his hands and knees. Who you frontin' on? Come on, girl. I know you a rookie. You got some followers, so what? Do you want you a cookie? I got promoters throwing shows so they can say that they booked me. When I walk up in the mall, they be turning and looking. No race, I went easy 'cause the pace I be pushing. In the store, I'm like a chef. They like, Rico, what you cooking? Probably one of these bitches' heads. I'm better than all the rest. No, this is not a drill. Ho, this shit is not a test. If you need to roll out 'cause you acting too hesitant, I bet you can't count all the money that I just spent. Niggas singing to the fans like they Jasmine Sullivan. My rank's too big, I just pop my rubber band. What?